Okay, so this is going to be the third video, I believe, on the SPC Maker K1. This is the 2-inch HD micro. And if you saw the previous videos, I'll put those video links in the description if you guys want to watch those. I originally got this with the Split Mini with the M8 lens and a different frame. I swapped the frame, or I swapped all the parts into a new frame with the old Split Mini, and I still had lots of jello, so it's like decreasing amounts of jello. So the first video, lots of jello. The second video with the new frame, a little bit less jello. And I think now in this third iteration with the new frame, basically they had to widen this little gap here for the M8 lens. I think on this iteration of the frame, I think is the least amount of jello. You guys can watch the flight demo at the end and let me know if you think it's better than the first two videos. I think it's the best out of the three, and I think it's a combination of the frame and also this better quality lens. The M12 lens is, I think, less vulnerable to jello than the M8 lens, and so I think that based on more and more of the video I'm seeing from this one, from the Gep RC, Signet videos, you can watch those as well. It has this camera here, the M12 lens, definitely less jello. So I think that this is a design improvement over the M8. So basically the bottom line is, if you're looking into any of these HD micro drones with the RunCam Split Mini version 2 in them, I highly recommend, if they have the old version of the M8 lens, do not buy those. Doesn't matter what review you've seen out there. I'm pretty sure that at some point, if you crash later, you're going to regret buying that because you'll have jello problems. This one here, I think, is going to be better, also less crash resistant, or less prone to jello from crashes. So yeah, if you're considering getting any of the various micros out there, 2 to 3 inches with the Split Mini, and are concerned about the jello problem, get the ones with the M12 lens and not the ones with the M8 lens. I think that's really out of all the things I've done testing and everything, that's what's been shown will provide the least amount of jello and better video. Yeah, so that's all I gotta say about that. I did a couple of videos where I talked about the jello issue as well, but I actually didn't show you flight footage from this. It was before I actually did the frame swap. So this is now the final, I think, the last video I'm going to make on this K1 here. And you guys can tell me if the jello is pretty much gone or if it still needs improvement. Anyway, let me know in the comments below, and here's some flight footage.